Hello, today we're unboxing the Razer Huntsman V2 analog gaming keyboard. I got this on woot.com, an Amazon store for about $70. I'll link it in the description. Normally sells for about $200. It is an older version, but in 2025 or 2026 doesn't make a difference. I got this brand new. It's really nice. It's actually has some nice weight to it. You see the box, the RGB. Here's the back. It looks like it has lights back here, down here, but we'll see. I don't know if that's that advanced, but it does come with a palm rest, which is really nice. And here's the different sides. But it's really good quality in terms of the packaging and so forth. So let's go ahead and open it. Got my little knife here. Two little slits. It lifts up. Oh, there's a nice packaging here. Here we have the keyboard. Let me move the thing back. Okay, let's look at this first. There's some information. Thank you for choosing Razer. Here we can see installation guide about the product. Oh, nice. Some stickers for fans. You put it on your case. And this is really well in there. So let's lift this up. Here we have the cable, multiple cables. Okay. Let's see what this is. Interesting. There are two cables here, and these are both USB. Oh, a USB-C and a regular USB cable, which is kind of nice. Normally, cables just USB. Oh, so it connects to both. So you have to use, I guess you can use either or, but it kind of sucks that there's two cables coming out there. It would be nice if you could just hot swap them out. Here's the keyboard. Has some weight to it. It's a very heavy keyboard. I would say about 10 pounds maybe. Probably less than that, but it feels quite heavy. Nice clicking sound. Here you have the volume buttons here. Here your USB, which is nice to connect it, pass through. There's none on the other side. So there's one USB pass through, which is kind of cool. I'll put this to the other side. What else they got here? Here you have the palm rest. This is really nice. You can see the little logo. It has a faux leather feel to it, which is nice. I guess this connects directly here, and we'll see if it lights up. You can see it's magnetically connected, which is nice. These are analog key switches, so that means you can't replace the keys. But normally I just usually just buy a brand new keyboard. This is pretty nice too. It has some nice weight to it as well. And that's it. So you really just get the keyboard and the palm rest, which is nice. So here you go. Here's the unboxing. Stay tuned for my full review and as I plug this in and so forth. But here I just want to give you an unboxing of this keyboard. So let me plug it in, play around with it, and create another review. Thank you. As always, like and subscribe.